Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll show you how to fix error code 0x0003 on GeForce Experience in Windows 11. So let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. So the first step is update your GPU drivers. So you have to open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Device Manager. You can find here. And then expand display adapters, right click your GPU and select update driver. Choose search automatically for update driver software. So that is the first step to do it. The second is restart NVIDIA services. So you can do it, press Windows plus R, type service.msc and press enter. So you can find NVIDIA display driver services, NVIDIA GeForce Experience service, and NVIDIA network service. So you can right click each one, select properties, set startup, type automatic, and click start if they are not running. The number 3 is flush DNS and reset network settings. Open command prompt as an administrator, type net winsock reset and press enter. Then type ipconfig and flush DNS and press enter. The next is go to settings, network and internet, status, network and reset, and follow the instructions. So that's it, you can do it. So if you go to internet on your computer, you can try to do it without any problem. So that is the way to do the number 3. And the last one tip is reinstall GeForce Experience. So you can open settings, apps and features, find GeForce Experience, and you can click on install and then download and install the latest version from NVIDIA website. So these are 4 steps that you can follow and try to fix the error code 0x0003 on Windows. So I hope one of these steps works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.